Hi guys, it's your girl Fashion Flex here, back with another video. Today will be a shoe unboxing video. And I originally had two packages, but I opened one. But there's one that I haven't opened, which is this one right here. And so I will be opening this one on camera, and I'll be showing the other pair of shoes that I opened. I opened them because I was just so eager, and I didn't feel like waiting because I didn't think they would fit. But this package, as you can see, I did not touch. It's from Shop Official B. I will leave the links down below where you can purchase these shoes. And yeah, let's get started. So originally, I bought these shoes on January 4th and January 5th, but I received them yesterday and today. Today is February 13th. Yesterday was February 12th. I don't want that to scare you from purchasing from them. They just had a really big sale going on, so they really got backed up, but they usually ship pretty quickly. They still are a very good, very good company. I really love their stuff. I have so many shoes from them, and I just love the company. They're so professional. This is my first shoe unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Almost open. Well, maybe I should show the boots first. The boots that I already opened, which are these. Like I said, I have already opened them. And so it's just these cute denim shoes. Look at that. They're so cute. It's just a peep toe boot with, look at all of that, razzle dazzle. And they got very distressed. They're super tall, so they'll probably go like to my thigh. They're thigh-high boots. Super cute, super cute. And like Shop Official B always has a sale going on, or like a promo code or something like that. And like I said, I will leave the links in the description where you can purchase. I don't know if these are still available, but I can still leave the link down below. Now for this package. Put them in the same bag. Okay. This is the first one. These are the boots. Ooh. It's like a suede kind of material. I love platform boots. Like I love like a platform heel and a block. I'll say platform. This is the platform and this is the block heel. I love shoes like that. I don't like the stilettos, like the skinny heel. I don't like those. I like these a lot. These are super cute. I'm already trying to figure out what outfits I can put with this. Yes, I'm gonna leave the link down below. I think these still should be in stock. If you guys want to purchase, last but not least, drum roll please. These super cute snakeskin heels. They're like a brown, tan type of shoe type of thing. Super cute. I'm happy. The packaging is bomb. The shoes are bomb. I'm gonna try them on off camera though, but I just wanted to come on and show you guys what I purchased recently. Super cute. So like I said, I will leave the link down below so you guys can purchase for your girlfriends, for yourself, honey. And yeah, you guys should cop. See you next time. Peace.